So today I'm going to be talking to you about this photography kit, and what it is backgrounds. There's actually 16 different colors with 8 sheets of paper, so there's one on each side, and it actually comes coated, so it's water resistant, stain resistant. You can just wipe it off. It also comes with a stand, so you can do some product photography that's not necessarily top down. You can actually shoot up against a curve. I'll show you how that works here in a few minutes. And then also, you can use it for top-down photography, as I'll use it with, just using it for products. So you can actually shoot straight down on top of it and have some nice colors. So I've been using it about a week and have had some good results, and I'll share that with you right now. Thank you. So here's to show you what comes in the bag. There's, along with the paper backgrounds, there comes a small tripod with a cross beam and 2 clamps, as well as a little case or a little bag to carry it all in. And I'll show you how the tripod works. It's a mini tripod. It's specifically for this task, although I'm sure you could use it for some other things if you'd like. It does have the standard connectivity and that sort of thing. There is a wing nut up on top, so it allows you to actually extend it if you want to go taller for more vertical shots. I'll show you. There you go. And then you're able to just easily connect the crossbeam and bolt it back down with the wing nut. And as you see, the paper size, like I said, it was 34 by 22 inches. And that kind of gives you an idea of the size of the tripod as well. And it's very easy to connect. I chose a yellow for this demo. And I'm going to speed through the actual connectivity process so I don't have to bore you with that. But here you go. Look how easy it is to put on. You just basically snap those on, roll it out. And I used a little cup to demo how it looks. It's very anti-reflective, and I have a pretty strong light right down on it, and it actually comes out really nice. And I'll show you the little baggie as well that comes with it. That's perfect for keeping it whenever you're not using it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.